Question number 3. A ball is dropped from a height and h1, h2, h3 are the distances traveled in the first 5 seconds, second 5 seconds and the third 5 seconds. Now in the question you have to find out the ratio of h1, h2 and h3. Now answer is very sure because in this type of question it will be 1:3:5. Now let us find out how actually it is 1:3:5. So let us see. Now what will be the distance travel in first 5 seconds? So initial velocity is 0. So ut plus what? Ut plus half gt square. So it will be what? This is 0. So this is half into 10 into your what? 5 square. So this will be what? This will be 125 meters. So this is the distance travel in first 5 seconds. Now what is h2? H2, although h2 is the distance travel in here, so we will assume it not as h2. So let it be what? S2, and this is also what? S1. That is distance travel in 5 seconds. Now this will be what? Distance travel in the 10 seconds, because I have to take initial velocity as 0. So I have to take I have to take 5 plus 5. So total 10 seconds. So this will be what? Again. So this will be what? This part will be 0 and plus 5 means what? 5 means what? Half into 10 and then what? Then total 5 plus 5, 10 seconds. So it will be this. So this will be what? So 500 meters. So that means in first 10 seconds it will descend to a distance of 500 meters. Then S3 will be what? S3 is what? Same thing. Ut plus half gt square. This is what? This is for 15. So from starting to this point. So in the 15 seconds, how much distance it will travel? So 0 plus half into 10 into what? Into 15 square. So this will be what? This will be what? This will be 5 into 2 to 5. So this is your 5 5s are 25, 2, 10. So this will be 2, then again 10. And so this is 1125 meter. Now, okay, now you see here, so your h2 will be what? So your h2 is the distance travel in second 5 seconds. That means what? This minus this. So it will be what? 500 minus 500 minus 125. So this will be what? This will be 375 meters. So in the second 5 seconds, the body will travel a distance of how much? 375 meters. Similarly, in S3, in the third 5 seconds, the body will travel, h3 will be equal to what? 1125 minus how much? Minus 500. So the answer will be what? Answer will be 625. Now you see, in the first, so you see, 125 is the distance travel in first 5 seconds, 375 is the distance travel in second 5 seconds, and 625 meter is the distance travel in the third 5 seconds. So if you see the ratio, 125 multiplied by 3, 125 multiplied by 5. So your answer should be what? 1:3:5. So according to the booklet, your answer will be 2, because in 2 it is given as h1 is equal to h2 by 3 and that is equal to h3 by 5. That means h1 is to h2 is to h3 is equal to 1:3:5. So your option will be, correct option will be 2 according to your booklet W.